Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for June 14th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. Your AI career starts this Sunday. Let's build it together. AI 101, Concept of the Week. What it is. Agentic AI is a system that can plan and take actions on its own to complete a task. Analogy. Think of agentic AI as a smart assistant that doesn't just answer questions, it actually does the research, writes the email, and sends it for you. How it works. 1. You give the AI a goal, like find the best price for a laptop and email me the options. 2. The AI breaks that goal into steps. Search the web, compare prices, draft an email, send it. 3. The AI uses tools like a web browser or email system to carry out each step automatically. Real example. This week, Rocket Close used agentic AI on AWS Bedrock to build Supercharger, a system that automates title operations in real estate. Why you should care. Agentic AI is the hottest skill in job listings right now. Companies are desperate for people who can design these autonomous workflows. AI jobs and skills this week. AI engineer at OpenAI, $180,000 to $250,000. Skills Python LLMs, agentic AI. Machine learning engineer at Amazon, $160,000 to $230,000. Skills AWS Bedrock, RAG, MLOps AI product manager at Meta, $150,000 to $210,000. Skills AI strategy, cross-team leadership, ethics. Data scientist at KPMG, $120,000 to $170,000. Skills Python, statistics, AI hallucination detection. Hottest role this week, AI engineer. With Anthropic pausing models and OpenAI facing investigations, companies are racing to hire engineers who can safely deploy and monitor AI. Agentic AI. This week, Rocket Close and NVIDIA both showed agentic AI in action. Learn in 6 to 8 weeks. Build a simple agent with LangChain. AI ethics and safety. Anthropic's models were pulled by the government. Safety skills are suddenly non-negotiable. Learn in 4 weeks. Take the free AI ethics course by Coursera. Cloud AI, AWS Bedrock. Rocket Close's agentic AI ran on Bedrock. Learn in 3 weeks. AWS free tiers official tutorials. If you learn one thing this week, agentic AI, it's the skill that will get you hired in 2026. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT writing and research, draft emails, summarize articles, learn new topics. Perfect for students and career switchers. Free ChatGPT plus $20 per month. Perplexity AI research. Search with citations, great for fact-checking. Avoid AI hallucinations. Free/pro $20 per month. Canva AI design, generate images, presentations, and social media graphics. No design skills needed. Free Pro $13 per month. GitHub Copilot coding, write code faster with AI suggestions. Ideal for beginners learning Python. Free for students, $10 per month for individuals. OpenAI Academy Learning, new courses this week on building AI workflows and agents. Free? Best starting point, OpenAI Academy. It's free, created by the company behind ChatGPT, and their new courses this week are exactly what beginners need. Cloud AI for developers, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for beginners with existing Microsoft tools. Free, $200 credits for first month. Start, create an Azure account and deploy a GPT-4 model. AWS Bedrock, best for agentic AI workflows. Rocket Close used it this week. Free, 1 month free tier includes 100K model invocations. Start, launch a Bedrock playground and test a model. Google Gemini API, best for quick prototyping with a generous free tier. Free, 60 requests per minute on Gemini 1.5 Flash. Start, get an API key from Google AI Studio. For a complete beginner, Azure OpenAI is easiest because of the $200 free credits and simple deployment steps. Your first action, sign up for an Azure free account and deploy your first GPT-4 model in 10 minutes. Career action plan. News. This week, Anthropic suspended access to its most powerful models after the government forced a recall due to safety concerns. Opportunity. Governments are cracking down on AI safety. Companies need people who understand how to test, monitor, and deploy AI responsibly. This creates a new job category, AI Safety Engineer. Your action. Enroll in the free AI Safety Fundamentals course from Coursera, .org/FD. Add AI safety as a skill on LinkedIn. Result. Doing this puts you ahead of 90% of candidates for AI engineer and AI safety roles in 2026. Resource. OpenAI Academy, Applying AI at Work, reside at OpenAI/index Quark. What you'll learn: build repeatable AI workflows, use agents in everyday work, and create practical AI projects. Time 4 hours, level beginner, free, yes. Why now? OpenAI just released these courses this week. They're designed for career switchers and students. Week in brief. Anthropic. Government forced a recall of its most powerful AI models due to safety concerns. This means companies will hire more AI safety experts. Meta, reportedly unwinding a $2 billion acquisition of Manus after Beijing's demand, shows how geopolitics affects AI jobs. Pulled a report on AI usage because of hallucinations. A reminder that AI still makes mistakes, creating jobs for fact-checkers. Blackwell GPU leads the first agentic AI benchmark, proof that agentic AI is the next big wave. IPO is happening, not directly AI, but the hype shows how tech IPOs create new investment and career opportunities. The one thing to remember this week: agentic AI and AI safety are the two biggest career opportunities right now. Learn both, and you'll be unstoppable. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're ahead of 90% of job seekers just by watching this guide every Sunday. Next week, we'll dive into how to build your first AI portfolio project. Don't miss it. Don't forget. Subscribe and come back every Sunday at 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. What is your biggest AI question this week? Drop it below. I read every comment.